Dumpster Rental, Tewksbury, Massachusetts. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Tewksbury, Massachusetts? Mark I provides hassle-free solutions for all your waste disposal needs. We specialize in quick and efficient dumpster rentals, which are perfect for projects of all sizes. Whether you're cleaning out your garage or managing a construction site, we've got you covered. Our friendly team at Mark I ensures fast delivery and pickup, so your project stays on track. We pride ourselves on offering great customer service and making your rental experience smooth and easy. With a wide range of dumpster sizes, Mark I can handle everything from household debris to heavy construction waste. No job is too big or small for us. We understand that your time is valuable, so we make scheduling your dumpster rental simple and stress-free. Our team can always help you choose the right size for your project. Trust Mark I to get the job done for dependable and affordable dumpster rental in Tewksbury, Massachusetts. We're here to help with any waste removal, whether for a home renovation, clean-out, or commercial project. Do you need a dumpster? Call us at 978-441-0010 today to reserve one and keep your project moving. Mark I is your partner for efficient dumpster rental in Tewksbury, Massachusetts.